Today we are in the Webb community in Sunbridge. It's a 55 plus community, and we're checking out the design studio that's right on site. You need to check this out. So when you purchase a home at Sunbridge by Webb, you will be able to make all of your design selections, pick out everything you want for your house right on site. They have this incredible design studio with everything from soup to nuts. Flooring, door handles, shower walls, etc. Be careful, we'll be with you to keep on budget, but you can pretty much spend whatever you want. Take a look over here are some of the things that I picked out for a home that kind of are all in the gray lines, so you'll be able to select your countertops, your cabinetry, the flooring, the carpet, everything that would go into it. If you want to really jazz it up, you can put Listellos or fancy bands in your bathroom. The possibilities are really endless. You can upgrade your lighting and the coach lights outside. Really, the possibilities are endless to be able to make your new home truly your own.